Budgie boy. Merton for loving. Merton the Budgie bird for loving Merton. Time for speaking. What time for fun? Let's This is right, pretty. Fun, the pretty boy. What time is it, pretty? What time? Mommy's bird for love. Okay. Merton has gone to bed now. Merton is remembered for loving bird. Budgie Porter. Timer's beautiful. Let's start Budgie. Merton the Budgie's a pretty bird. Mommy and Merton forever. What time? Let's have fun. Fun. Very good. Timer speaking, Budgie bird. Bird for loving. What's a good time? Merton, Budgie bird. Mommy loves Merton for loving bird. Where's making the Budgie bird? Very good. Very. Mommy's Budgie. Merton, Mommy's bird. Where's Merton? Mommy loves Merton, pretty Budgie bird. Merton the Budgie, speaking Budgie bird, Budgie boy. Mommy's plays a good time for speaking Budgie bird. Mommy's bird. Mommy and Merton the Budgie bird for loving. Very good Budgie bird. Forever. Good time for fun. Time's right. Fun to fun. What time is it? Time, quick time. What time is it? Come, what's going on here? Time. Mommy loves Merton forever. Mommy's made Merton for loving. Mommy's plays and Merton. Mommy's bird and beautiful speaking Budgie bird. But Mommy's very good. What time for loving?